not ready to go into battle. But we cannot watch our friend die. Your task is to get him out of there. I will call a sound attack there. During the turmoil, you will take the Titan.
Then let's not wait. It's time to start.
Target captured.
I am very grateful to you. If it weren't for you, our race would have been destroyed. If you were suddenly interested, our Titan is feeling better. We are currently improving him. We will be able to return to battle soon.
Don't thank us. We did what we had to do. It's our duty. Now we need to focus on more important things. As you know, the Titan's camera is being held hostage. We studied in more detail what happened to the Titan. It was a parasite, a new invention, a terrible invention. Unfortunately, it won't be possible to remove it on our own. We need your Titan and ours to work together. Let's put an end to all this.
What will be our next step?
Our next step will be the last for them. Thanks to their technology, their notes and blueprints, I will create a Titan armor for you. This will be the end for these pathetic rats.